Friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a watermelon popsicle for you. So first of all, for this purpose we have to draw a line, straight line from here, come down. Okay, enough. And second, you have to start from, this is the parallel, but you have to start from little bit upper side. Okay, from here you have to draw again straight line. Okay, and stop. So it's enough. So now we have to make a round corner, not sharp, rounds. Round corner, we have to meet these points. Okay, so now what is more, you have to go round shape and stop here. Okay, it is. And now what is, we have taken a bite already. Okay, I will make a bite. Good. Okay, and more, it's double side, it's looking like 3D. Okay, did you understand? You have to make it downside and then you have to make a upper side. Okay, so it's looking very amazing. What, and the stick we have to draw now, this is the stick. Okay, for holding your popsicle. Okay, so what is missing? Always a smiley face. So now we have to draw eyes, 2 eyes I will draw. Okay, and inside one dot, and the parallel we have to draw one more circle. Okay, and one for white part. So I will fill this. So now it's a face. And what is more we have to draw seeds because it's watermelon. Okay, so you have to fill with black colors. Yuppie! So now what is more we have to do colors. For this purpose I will make a basement with the green, with the 3 green colors. So first of all I have to draw with dark color and then I show it with you because of it is hard little bit. Then if, okay, this one you have to draw it, you have to this one with green, with full green. Okay, this was full green, so now it's a less green color. This one is less green because of its watermelon. You have to keep in mind this thing. And this is the less green color, like it is more for upper side. So you have to okay, children, this is the down part is ready. Now it's red color, you can fill it the full, and I meet you after filling it. So yuppie childrens, our popsicle is ready to eat. Just you have to keep in mind, you have to use 3 green colors downside and the red is here and here is your choice. So but the thing I have to say, please keep enjoying while drawing. This is the main view of mine. So be happy, but the thing is that please subscribe my channel, please follow my channel, and please watch full video. And this is love from your side to me. So take care until the next video. Bye bye.